Okay, today we are going to talk about how to make spaghetti in the Italian way. What do we need to make spaghetti? Yes. And how we make spaghetti. What is the way? Okay? So let's start.
Hello boys, how are you? Today we are going to talk about making spaghetti in the Italian way.
Italian way, very nice. Yes, let's start.
We will need some spaghetti,
Yes,
some ground meat,
ground meat,
a can of tomato
a
paste,
can of tomato paste, very nice,
some olive oil,
some olive oil,
some onion,
some onions, very nice,
and some green pepper.
some green peppers. Thank you very much, Khalid. Now, how we make spaghetti? We have Khalid here, is going to talk.
First, we have to wash the green peppers, the onions,
Yes,
cut them and cut them up.
very nice. We have to wash the onions, the green peppers, and cut them up, of course.
After that, we start cooking.
Yes, we start cooking. How?
When the olive oil is hot,
Yes.
we add the green pepper, onion,
And a little later,
later the meat.
yes, very nice. So, when the olive oil is hot, we add the onions, the green peppers, and a little later the meat. Very
Next,
nice.
we add the spaghetti and the tomato paste.
Tomato paste. Then we add some spaghetti, of course. It's the main, yes? The main thing here is the spaghetti, right? How can we make spaghetti without spaghetti? Yes? Very nice. Clap for Khalid, and Muhammad.